misfortune of following up that presentation, so oops. We have the Arcos mass transfusion application. It'll be up in a second. And over these last 5 weeks, we've been working on improving the UI. We've been working on making it much more flexible, making it much more appropriate for, or much more approachable for users, and really just using a lot of the feedback we've been getting from Arcos to improve the app. So there we go. It's a little blue, but is that just because of the saturation, or okay? The monitor looks a little funny, but it's fine. This is our start screen. The way it functions right now, we have, this isn't the way it's finished, it's going to be working its completion. We have an unstable version of the app where we can have multiple sets of tests, where right now this is just this is one scoring method of evaluating whether or not a user needs to have a mass transfusion occur. There are multiple, and there's I believe 1 or 2 others that Arcos wants us to add, and we've been working on that, but it's not completed yet. So if we go here, we click on 2 different options, 2, 3, we'll get, zipper. We'll be sent to a sim. It's fine. Okay, now this is this page where the magic really happens. Can you bring up the QR codes? So, I'm gonna actually give a real demo of this time. Is it front, back camera? Okay. So I'm not sure if everyone can see, but on the actual tablet, you can see that the front region is giving you a nice view through the camera, and the rest of the UI is instructions of how to complete the app. So when you're performing a mass transfusion, you're concerned with the 3 major types of blood components: red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. The way our app functions is you will either scan a barcode that's on a blood bag, and based on that data that's on the barcode, it will update the reciprocal field. Or if the barcode's scratched, or the camera's not working right, or things get messy in the OR and it's just covered, the user can tap the desired blood part, and it will and at the bottom section will tell the doctor what to add next. Now there's also functionality for removing parts of blood.
Well, decrementing if you accidentally add an additional part that you didn't intend to.
I'm sorry, 1 second. Was there a change? No. I'm sorry, I just have fat fingers, it seems. My apologies. What's going on? Oh, I'm sorry. I swear I've used computers before in my life. If you've put too many of a certain blood type in, you can press down and hold, and it should, there we go, it should decrement the number you've entered in that field. That way, if a user accidentally adds too many of a certain type when they didn't mean to, they can tap, hold for a second, and then it'll go down. So you don't have to re-enter it all again. Okay? And so the normal functionality of how we expect a user to use this is that, well, let's put this over. I'm sorry, go for it. Today's not my day to use computers, I'm sorry. So, there we go. So, we'll have one of these barcodes will be on the blood bag. The user will come, they will scan the desired type of blood, and it will increment on the app. Okay? Now, the stopping, can you put the app back on? The stopping condition for the app is entirely dependent on the doctor's discretion. And so, once that point has been reached, the mass transfusion event will end, and the data will get stored on the device itself, and we'll be able to access graphical data based on the event. These three lines, the y-axis will be the quantity of part of blood administered, and the x-axis will be time. And the purpose of this is to give doctors the ability to look back and see, okay, you know, when I gave the patient blood at these times, with this frequency, with this regularity, you know, we had a good result or we had a bad result. And so doctors can go and look back at the operations they've had in the past historically. Okay. Also, during our past iteration, we've been improving our tests. We've been improving our James, what's the other word?
Coverage?
Well, our
Or
coverage,
continuous integration?
our integration. We've been cleaning up a lot of the code, making a lot more clean on the inside. And we've been getting ready to finish off the last round of changes Arcos has been requesting from us. So far, they've been pretty pleased with our progress. We had a report with them last week, and they were happy with what we've done so far.
We have one tomorrow.
Yes, we will on Friday.
It's not Friday.
Yes, Thursday. It's Friday.
None?
Yeah. we're done.
Okay, thank you.